If you're in your 20s, you re-end the single most powerful decade of your financial life, because the decisions you make right now will shape your income, your freedom, and your future wealth. Most people waste these years trying to look rich instead of learning how to build real wealth. But you're here on Smart Finance Mentor, which means you're already ahead of 99% of people your age. So today, I'll walk you through a simple, practical roadmap anyone in their 20s can follow to build wealth even. If you're restarting with nothing right now, the first step is understanding that wealth isn't built by earning money. Wealth is built by controlling money. And the best way to do that is by creating a simple budget that actually works. In your 20s, you don't need a complicated financial plan. You just need to track your income, your essential expenses, and where your money is leaking every month. Most people don't realize they lose thousands every year on random spending, small purchases, pointless subscriptions, late fees, and emotional spending. When you take control of this early, you immediately free up money to invest in your future instead of wasting it in the present. Once you start controlling your money, the next move is building an emergency fund. Think of this as your financial shield. Life is unpredictable. Your phone breaks, your bike needs repair, or you lose your job for a month. Without a safety fund, one unexpected problem destroys your progress. Aim for at least 3 months of basic expenses. Keep it in a separate savings account where you won't touch it. This one simple habit protects your progress and gives you confidence to take bigger financial steps. Now let's talk about the most powerful wealth-building tool in your 20s, investing early. Most people think they need a lot of money to invest, but that's wrong. Even small amounts, like $20 or $30 a week, grow massively because you have decades ahead. Compound interest works like magic, and the earlier you start, the more explosive the growth becomes. This is why someone who invests $20 a week in their 20s can end up richer than someone who invests $100 a week in their 30s. Time beats money. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Next comes building skills. Your 20s are the perfect time to become more valuable in the marketplace. Wealth comes from the value you can provide, not your age or your degree. Learn skills that increase your income: digital marketing, coding, sales, content creation, video editing, AI tools, copywriting, or anything that makes you more capable and more in demand. The higher your skills, the higher your earning potential. And unlike money, skills can never be taken away. They grow, multiply, and create opportunities for life. Another key part of building wealth is developing multiple income streams. Relying on one job or one salary is dangerous in today's world. Start a small side hustle, freelancing, online business, tutoring, e-commerce, digital products, affiliate marketing, or anything you can do in your free time. You don't need to earn thousands immediately. Even an extra $100 to $300 a month can significantly boost your savings and investments. Once you develop one income stream, you can build more. This is how real wealth begins. Your 20s are also the perfect time to avoid the traps that keep people broke. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your life every time your income goes up. Avoid debt from unnecessary purchases like expensive phones, designer clothes, or luxuries you can't actually afford. Avoid spending to impress people who don't care about you. Protect your money by making smart decisions instead of emotional ones. And remember, looking rich is easy, but staying rich requires discipline. Finally, surround yourself with the right information. Consume content that teaches you, inspires you, and pushes you to grow. Most people waste their youth on entertainment that adds nothing to their future. But you can choose differently. You can choose to build something meaningful. So if you're in your 20s, here's the simple roadmap. Control your money. Save aggressively, build an emergency fund, invest early, gain valuable skills, create multiple income streams, and avoid financial traps. If you stay consistent, your 20s will become the decade that builds the foundation for a wealthy life. If you want more step-by-step guides to money, investing, and building financial freedom, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. This is Smart Finance Mentor, and your journey to long-term wealth starts today.